bring that around there like that. Just doing the edge of the cat. I've got very faint guidelines, so they're there to help me. Just bring some of this lightness down. And there we go. Let's go into my favourite brush, my soft blend, and do some black in there. Okay, this is working. Maybe a bigger. Coming around. Now there's a bright blue ball, so I'm going to use this. Use my finger. That's it, let's just redo that again. There we go. Let's just fill that. Oh dear me. See what happened? Flooded everything. So let's just put that in there. Okay. Then I can start just shading that. Not with that brush. We'll go with a soft blend. And then we'll black. That's it. Just work on something over here, look. Let's do a little bit of darkness just to give me some base. To make it more of a blue over here, look, underneath. That's it. Opacity is about 60. So I'm just coming into the black, see? There we go. Right, we're getting there. I'm going to bring some of this, whoops, eraser. I'm going to bring up some of this blue onto the left cheek. I'm going to put the alpha lock on. Yeah. Maybe some fur. Let's get some fur along here. That's it. Just need a little bit of dark fur coming up here, look. There we go. Maybe a little bit of dark underneath the eye. Just a little bit on this side. Maybe some brown, say. That's it. We're getting there, we're getting there. Right, I just want a bit of a darker blue on this side. Maybe a really laser blue. That's it. Change opacity. There we go. Right, I'm going to go over to this side. We soft fur, with cream, maybe. Just put a little bit of fur on the edge, see? There we go. Just get that puffball's cheek effect. A little bit of brown in there. Bit of darkness just on this side. Right, I think I'm going to leave it there for the moment. Put this back the way it was. just take a little shot. Right, so I've done quite a lot there. I've done the other ear, I've done the eyes, I've gone around on the nose, I've done... It still needs a little bit of work, but I'm going to come back with it with fresh eyes and just have another look at it. But thanks for watching anyway, and happy painting everybody. Bye bye.